Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do an unboxing and review about these Diecast Talk exclusive models, only available at Diecast Talk. These models are made by, and I'm going to show you, GCD, very good Diecast brand, and you can see it's an official licensed model. Here we got the information you need for Diecast Talk. You can see they're active on social media, Instagram, and this is the web shop, but I will also leave a link in the description of this video down below to the Instagram and the web shop. Okay, let's start with this model first. I'll put the other ones here to the side. Comes in a nice display case. Picture of the car here in the back. So here we got the information. I already showed you that. Ooh, it's a weathered model. I like that. And yes, you can see Diecast Talk exclusive. Only available at Diecast Talk. I'm going to remove the plastic. There we go. This was actually an exclusive for an event where Diecast Talk was with a stand, and they had a couple of models left. So I set my alarm clock at 2 o'clock at night, and I placed the order, and I was lucky because I got two. There's also a chase version. And the chase version is a non-weathered version. But you know that I like weathered cars a lot. Okay, we can also see it comes with a couple of accessories. You decide to put them on the car or not. Here we have the car. Metal body, metal base, lanced headlights. This car is very well detailed. The first time I got a model from GCD, I thought, whoa, this is the most realistic looking diecast car I have in my collection. Until this day, I am still thinking the same. These models are absolutely fantastic. The weathering is very well done, and check those details here underneath the car. That is sick. And also the base is weathered. Nice exhaust system. How can you not like this? And above all that, steering wheels. Yeah, this car is complete. Side mirrors, white interior. Not sure if that is handy in a muddy environment. You see sunscreen, even a sunscreen, that can be handy in a sunny environment. Very cool. And also here the ladder to the top, nice spare tire in the back, same as the ones underneath the car. That is very realistic. Wheels are very good rolling, and we got suspension as well in the front as in the back. So yeah, this is a very complete diecast car. Small, yeah, it's more like a hook. It's not a tow bar. Mud flaps are made out of plastic. Wow, what can I say? Absolutely 100% wow factor. What's on the smiley? I can't see it, what text it is. Okay, let's put the model right here on the diorama, and then we go to the next one. Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro prototype test shot. That's why we have the bare metal look. Here again, the same information as on the other car, but here it says Forerunner, barcode, article number for the ones who are interested. We can see official licensed product. That is what we like. And here again, Instagram and the web shop. Let's open up the package. There we go. Yeah, and just like the other model, it comes with a cleaning tool for sticky fingers, etc. I like that with the GCD logo on it. And what I also like, you don't need a screwdriver. So it comes in a nice display case. But you can take the model out, no screws. I like that. That is so much better. So what's on the package? 43 out of 150. Well, that is what I call limited. That was with this one, it was 238 out of 400. That is also very limited. Yeah, I like these bare metal look. I like this bare metal look a lot. Test model, nothing wrong with that. Lanced headlights, windscreen wipers on top of the window. Suspension in the front and in the back. Steering wheels, and again a fantastic base with lots of details. And here the spare tire underneath the car. No license plate, but there is place for a license plate, and I have plenty of American license plates. So do I have a flashlight? Yes, right here, so we can have a look in the interior. Yeah, very good looking interior. No color details. We even have a mirror in the middle. Roof rack on top. Yeah, very cool. I like it. Okay, I'm going to place it here. Then we're going to the next one. Definitely one of my favorites, because this one, the Toyota Xtracab SR5 4x4 black in a 1/64 scale. Nice background in 80s style, because this is from Back to the Future. Doesn't say anything from Back to the Future, but it definitely is. Again, official licensed products, Diecast stock, limited edition. How limited it is, we will find out now. There we go. 1083 out of 1400. Yeah, that's limited. And let's be honest, this one is 10,000 times better than the one from Hot Wheels with the smiley on top. Good rolling wheels. Again, suspension. Beautiful base with a silver exhaust. Nice spare tire. And again, steering wheels. This here is also made out of metal. Hey, we even have an opening part and a license plate. Whoa! Opening part just fell off. Can we fix it? I believe we can. Let's see. Easy fix, no problem at all. Am I missing a light now? Oh yeah, the light is falling off. No problem at all. I can fix that with a little bit of glue, but that it has a license plate, for me, it is already a winner. I can fix this easy, that is no problem. But the looks are fantastic from this model. Let's have a look at the interior. Gray interior. Nice seats. Nice steering wheel. Fantastic, I love it. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, last but definitely not least, the Pink Taco 2.0. A big one. Tacoma Beast. Tacoma Pre-Runner, the Pink Taco. Here we got a nice picture on the back. Let's open it up. Yes, 760 out of 800. Look at this. Oh yeah, be careful with the antenna. You can break it. Wow, nice chrome pink. Lens front lights. I like the carbon fiber look here on the hood and on the roof. Big spare tire in the back. Yes. Not so much suspension here, but check this out. You can see the suspension right there. I think it's not working, but for the back, plenty of suspension. Again, nice metal base with details. I also like the profile here on the tires. Those tires are so awesome. Steering wheels. And even a carbon fiber look on the side mirrors and here. KC on top of these lights. Got a Toyota logo on the steering wheel, good interior. Very cool, love this car, and I have to say I like this chrome pink color, that looks really cool. And we have a license plate with Taco on it. Yeah, definitely a winner. Fantastic. Yeah, definitely a must-have, these cars. To be honest, the wetted car is definitely my favorite, but the rest of the cars, awesome. I like them one by one. Back to the Future car, have to use some glue, but I will fix that. Easy fix. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.